Hello everyone and welcome back, or if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is April and this is April Adventuring. In this video, I'm sharing two really quick camping trips that I took in April of 2022. The first one here was just outside San Francisco when I was visiting my best friend who lived there at the time, but is now my roommate in LA. So you can see this beautiful view of the city. It was pretty wild to be in such a remote area and feel like you were in the wilderness, but to just look across the water and have the city right there. It was so beautiful. After spending just one night camping on that island, we wrapped up our weekend with this beautiful hike to a waterfall that lands directly on the beach. It's amazing that both of these destinations are so close to San Francisco. We could visit both of them in one weekend and be ready for work again by Monday.
It's Sunday, the 17th of April, and we're going to Yosemite, my favorite national park that I've been to, just for one night. We're staying in the North Pines campground, and I am stoked. So it's like 12:30 probably. We're about an hour away. I'm really excited to just hike, spend time in nature, and yeah, explore some more of Yosemite. I've only been there once. It was Gina's first time backpacking was there. I'll link it in the cards if you haven't seen it. It's so funny. And I'm just really excited. So we will be there in about an hour and I'll show you around. Okay, we finally found a parking spot. But I don't know how we can get out.
I hope 2023 is going well for you so far. If you're here, I'm guessing one of your goals for the new year may be to get outside more. I know it's definitely one of mine. I hope this video gives you some inspiration to find your next outdoor adventure, even if you only have the capacity for weekend trips, or even just day trips out for a hike or to spend time in the woods or by the beach. This trip to Yosemite was pretty last minute. We wanted to do something for my birthday, and all of the campsites in and around Yosemite were completely booked, but Gina just kept an eye on the reservation system, and one in the North Pines campground just happened to open up. So we packed up and we headed out just for one night, and it was totally worth it to get to see all of these sites, even though we just stayed in the valley and did one or two quick hikes. It was such an amazing way to spend my birthday. Those of you that have made it this far are the real MVPs, so thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button below to catch my next video. I hope you're feeling inspired to go on your next adventure, regardless of where you are or how much time you have. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye everybody.